We're gonna do a 2-minute reverse plank, but it's gonna be 4 exercises, 30 seconds each, and it's gonna work the entire posterior chain. So that's your entire backside, which means your arms and your shoulders are gonna get worked. Make sure to keep your shoulders out of your ears. We're gonna extend your legs out long, hands underneath the shoulders, and you can point your fingers out to the side or toward your bum. And you're going to press into your heels as you posterior pelvic tilt and lift your glutes up. And we're going to lift and lower. Make sure not to lock out your knees. Keep them slightly flexed. Shoulders out of the ears. Chin tucked. And you're only coming up to parallel. So really just a nice flat plank. We're not overarching or overextending. All right, and now you're going to hold. And if you'd like, you can add the option of rocking your ankles by flexing and pointing your toes back and forth. Make sure to keep the hold in the glutes, posterior pelvic tilting. Your shoulders, your arms are gonna get worked as well. And next we're gonna move into a frog position. So tap your heels together, open up your knees, posterior pelvic tilt, and lift up again to parallel. We're not overarching our back, we're keeping our back nice and neutral as we squeeze in posterior pelvic tilt. And let's turn it into a pump, frog pump. So no tension should be in your low back. Okay, and hold. That is the point of the posterior pelvic tilt, is to keep the tension out of your low back, but your core should still be stable. Squeeze those heels together, press into the ground. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Shoulders out of the ears, chin tucked. And good job. Good work.